Nin explains what to do when you've had a bad day.
'Cause you had a bad day, you take it one day.
Oh yeah, I've had quite a few of those before. The sort of days whereby everything just goes horribly wrong. Hi honey, I've just been fired, and I crashed the car on the way home, and I killed the neighbour's dog. What do you mean how? I kicked it. Things just keep getting worse. You're leaving me? Hello? No, don't run out of battery now! And then when you've just about had enough and think that things can't possibly get any worse, they do. Dear Nin, we have to amputate your penis due to lack of use. Kind regards, Dr. Atkinson. Yep, those kind of days that kicks you when you're down. Repeatedly. The more you try and snap out of it, the worse it gets. And before you reach for that bottle to drown it all away, hear me out for a second. What's happening to you is the negativity cycle. So this is basically where something bad happens. You react badly or negatively to the situation. You're either bad, sad, angry, etc. And then because you're feeling that, you behave that way. And once you behave in a negative manner, the circle repeats itself. This is why your days seemingly get worse. This is especially true if you're angry and like to break stuff. So how do you make it stop? Okay, first things first, get out of there. Remove yourself from the situation and go to a place where you're not likely going to be disturbed. Next, breathe. Take long, deep breaths. Try and slow down that heart rate. Try and get a bit of oxygen in you. When you've got a bit more oxygen in you, you can think a bit more clearly. No. That's for pregnant women. Just breathe in slowly and deeply. There you go. It's not that hard, is it? Remember, what's happened in the past is in the past. There's nothing you can do about it now, but there is something that you can do about how you react from it right now. It's now time to get some perspective on things. When you're in a negative bubble, you're in a bubble. You can't escape and you can't see it from the outside looking in. It might be worthwhile talking to a friend and seeing if they can give you a better positive spin on things. Reframe it positively. Let's do this circle again, but in the complete opposite manner. Look for the good things to happen. When you see good things happening, feel good about it, feel excited, get those positive feelings in. And if you feel it, you're most likely going to behave in a positive manner, which will then form a circle of positivity. Look for something good in the situation? Oh cool, I get a prosthetic penis. Feel good about it, and you'll probably behave better. Well, sort of. And if you're still feeling angry, exercise it out. Let out that energy in something that's productive, and exercise is good for you. So if you've had a bad day,
'Cause you had a bad day.
Shut up! Just remember those steps and try and turn your day around. Remember, no one else is going to do this for you, and you're in control of your own life. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here, follow me on social media there. Let me know the stories of your tragically bad days, and let me know how you've managed to turn that around in the comment section below. Dear Nin, we have to amputate your penis due to lack of use. Kind regards, Dr. Atkinson. Shit!